Hello, my name is Professor Dan, and I'm a native English speaker from the United States who taught English as a second language and Spanish in a U.S. public school for 24 years. I'm retired from teaching in a U.S. public school. Now, I teach English as a second language and Spanish online. In my classes, we will use a variety of materials, including books, videos, and audio files to help you learn English in a fun and interesting way. I will help you learn English grammar, vocabulary, and structures through fun and engaging conversations. I can also help you if you're taking a test like the TOEFL or the IELTS. I will help you design a course that meets your English goals. I am married and have 2 adult children. I have a son who's 27 and a daughter who is 20. In my free time, I enjoy music, cooking, and traveling. My family and I have traveled to many states in the United States and also to Canada and Mexico. I look forward to seeing you in my Italki classroom and helping you meet your English-speaking goals and sharing my knowledge of the United States and helping you learn about American culture and customs. So book a lesson with me today, and let's help you get started learning English. Thank you for watching.